Mr. President, you remember you gave the country decree number 3. In the decree number 3, I have a concern because once an order is met, nobody should question. But I have a concern as far as implementation is concerned. From Kitgum to Gulu, there are 2 roadblocks. One in Acoli, and the second one is the whole detach in Achwa Bridge. On the ground, you find UPDF are the one minding the roadblock. There are charcoals on the ground, some were being rebugged. And when you sit in a Ngagora, charcoal are still being burned. All lorries carrying trucks from Achwa Ranch, there is a UPDF personnel put inside the cabin. That means they bypass these roadblocks without any problem. But these personnel of ours, the UPDF, are checking these mini taxis, the cabs, even the buses. Are we saying in Kampala, in Gulu, elsewhere, people from Kitgum do not have families where they need charcoal? What about the one which the UPDF were rebugging? What about the lorries which are passing? Where are they taking the charcoal? If at all they are sold, where are the money banked? This is the highest corruption which you are saying we should fight, and you are fighting. I want to give you pieces of advice. If we are to fight corruption the way you're willing, let's start from State House. Then we go to President's office. Then we come to line ministries and government institutions. Then the Parliament. The district should be the last, because the major mafias are here in Kampala, not at the district level. Let's start from there. I'm happy when you came to Kitgum to celebrate Uhuru last year, you made it on record that you have been informed and you have analyzed and found that you should start from AAcoli. And AAcoli is State House and the President's office. If this can be done, I think your concern for the 68% who are poor will be realized. I thank you for God and my country.